Let's make this quick, easy, creamy broccoli soup. Here are the ingredients you will need: garlic, broccoli, onions, cream cheese, heavy cream, shredded cheese, chicken broth, butter, salt, pepper, thyme, and cornstarch. I blanched the broccoli by putting it into boiling hot water that has salt in it. Then I separated the broccoli florets from the broccoli stem, chopped it up to use in the broccoli soup. Let's begin by adding the chopped onion, butter, and garlic to the pan. Next, let's add the chicken broth. Remember the broccoli we chopped up earlier? Well, now we're going to add only half of it to the pot at this time. Why is that, you may ask? It is because we will be using our immersion blender to blend half of the broccoli so that it can be creamy and chunky. Add the seasonings to the pot while I tell you a little about the immersion blender. This is my immersion blender. It allows you to puree the soup right in the pot by immersing the bladed wand right into the soup mixture. I've included a link for the immersion blender that I use right in the description. Add the shredded cheese and give it a taste to see if it's just right or if you need a little more salt or pepper to taste.